Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about certain things like adding the citation, footnote, bookmark, navigation or which is your document outline, the table of content, etc. in a Google document. So let's begin. Starting with the citation, on the right hand side we have the explore option. Go to the explore and search for anything you are looking for. So let me search for GEG Pune. That's a Google Educator Group Pune. And let me just click on its Twitter account and copy some matter from here and paste it over in my Google Docs. Now I just need to give the citation for the same. You can see on the right hand side, cite as footnote. Just click on it. It is being added as a citation at the bottom. You can easily check it out. Next is about giving the citation, and another thing is about the footnote. So for footnote, say they have one event right now going on today itself. First part is already over, though the YouTube video is available, and the second half will be held today at 7 p.m. So let me just provide you with the link of the same. So I've opened already that YouTube link. I'm just copying that link and let me select say GEG Pune over here and insert footnote. Click on footnote, paste the link we have just copied. It's done. Right. Next up, we'll talking about adding the bookmarks. And for the bookmark, let's consider this is the thing which already have copied. So topics covered in the first half and the second half. So I'll be using this as my reference material. So now I am going to add the bookmark. For the bookmarking, say I select this first half, insert bookmark, just like that. Select second half, insert bookmark. Now I have to link this bookmark with the first half content or the topic to be covered in the second half. So what I am going to do, I'll just select this, and now instead of bookmark I will select the link. Now under the link, when selected, look for the bookmarks and select first half. Apply. Similarly, topics covered in the second half, go to insert, go to the link, and under the link you will find the option for the bookmarks. Select second half and apply. So now we have bookmarked all these things. So you will check it out. Soon I click on this topic covered in the second half and click on the bookmark. It will take me back to the first page where we have the second half as marked as bookmark. Next we'll be talking about the navigation, which is very important as a document outline. And for that, let me also insert the table of contents. So how we are going to insert the table of content? Go to insert. At the top bottom, we have table of contents. Generally, we prefer to have along with the page numbers. So let me select the first option. So it is already being created. We can refresh as soon as we add some new content to this document. Now observe that for navigation of the document, on the left hand panel we have show document outline. Just click on it. So you will find welcome to the boot camp, like this. Select this and please make sure it is your heading 1. Make it sure it's your heading 1, or you can also make it title so that Google Docs identify this as the main title or heading, and it will be appear in our outline on the left hand side. So it is my heading 1. Next, let me make this as my heading 2. And this as my heading 2 again. I can make this as heading 3 as well. So that will be nested again the main welcome to the bootcamp option. I can also make this as say heading 2, heading 3 say, because heading 2 already I have deleted, right? So now it is covering under this heading 3. So soon I click on the second half portion, it will directly take me to this second page. And if I go on adding few new things, you can check it out on this table of content. We can update the table of content as well. I hope it is clear. In case any doubt, you can always contact me directly. Thank you.